Hi guys, happy Saturday. Today I'm here at the location of RIVAGE Bal Harbour, where, let me show you that demolition has started on the project. This is Related Group's newest beachfront development here in Bal Harbour, Florida. It's gonna have 25 stories of stunning estate-sized homes in the sky. You're gonna have 200 linear feet of beachfront, a private beachfront, and this is basically your backyard. So let's walk over to the beach. For more information on this gorgeous project, click the link below to watch the video.